So hey my loves, I'm back with yet another video finally. Sorry I've been away for a while, but it's tough with working, forgive me. It's tough with working and having a newborn, an infant. So, but hey, I decided I was ready to get him a high chair. There was a little hiccup with the one that I found, and you know they are so expensive. But I found one and I wanted to make it specifically for him, one that no one else would have had. So I did what I did. Let me know how y'all think it came out, please. I like it. I just feel like I could have did something different with it, but I like it. Let's get into this video, guys. So I decided my baby needed a high chair, and as you see, I wanted an Evenflo high chair, and these run rather high, way too high for me. So I took to Facebook. So I found this on Facebook Marketplace. Went to Walmart and got some baby blue spray paint. And had my daughter to go ahead and put a couple layers of spray paint on there. As you'll see, she had to go in and wrap up the legs because I didn't want the spray paint to get on the legs at all. So this is after 2 coats. Very cute. So now I'm going to take this, and I was going to make my own, but I decided it'd be just much quicker just to go ahead and cover this one up. So that's what I'm going to do. I found this fabric from Walmart, and it is actually a Harry Potter theme fabric. So I'm just going to use the hot glue to run along the seams to place this new fabric over the current cover. So I'm folding the fabric, and I'm going to place a line of hot glue in there. And this is going to give me the sewing line or the sewing seam that's on the original cover, so that it kind of looks like I have a sew line on my fabric as well.
Don't put it in your eye, Mama. Don't hurt your eyeball.
But I want to tell my eyeball. Stop eating. So after that. Okay. Away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Please go. No, no. No. Ah. Go away. Ah.
So now I have the portion lines. Now I'm going to do the seatbelt lines for the TV.
And now I'm just going to close up the bottom part. And there you have it. Safety scraps are in place. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this because I'm pretty sure my son will enjoy it. And I know I enjoyed it. And and when I first brought it, you guys, it's crazy because I thought on the picture it was red. But then when I met the woman at the Walmart and purchased it, it was actually pink. And I was like, okay, whatever. I like it. They run kind of high. So I'm just going to DIY and make it my own. So this is his personalized high chair. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.